Hey everyone, want to edit AI videos in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to refine and improve your AI-generated videos step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Go to your dashboard and open the video you want to edit. Next, review your generated video and identify any parts you'd like to improve, such as the motion, camera angles, or visual style. Now update your prompt or edit the available generation settings. Adding more specific details often helps produce better results. If supported, replace the source image, modify the text prompt, or adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, or quality. Click Generate ** or Regenerate ** to create an updated version of your video. Once the new version is ready, compare it with the previous one and choose the result that best matches your vision. Repeat the process if needed until you're satisfied with the final output. Finally, export the finished video and use it for YouTube, social media, marketing, presentations, or other creative projects. And that's how to edit AI videos in Luma AI. With a few prompt refinements and regenerations, you can create polished, high-quality AI videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.